day one of building the Gromit Animatronic for Halloween. Let's go. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect up a servo to a little computer called a Raspberry Pi, and now this is an entire computer, but it's really, really small, and we're able to power it off a battery, so it's going to be perfect for this project. Now, running this little bit of test code, we can see that this servo starts to move, which is really, really good. It means that everything's working, and then we can actually do this with a second servo as well, so once we connect this up, we can see with this other bit of code that we can control both of the servos and make them move. So these two servos are going to be the base for the eyes, which is going to be the main sort of animatronic element for this project. Now the eyes are just going to mount straight onto here, so you can see here I am just sticking some ping pong balls on that we've drawn a little eye on, and then yeah, this means we can actually make the eyes rotate as if Gromit's looking around, which is really, really cool, and we'll be able to sort of integrate this into the final build. So now to finish off the eyes, we're going to be putting it onto a little piece of foam board. Now foam board is essentially foam with paper on either side, and it's what I'm going to be doing for doing most of the structural bits of this build. So here I'm just sort of measuring up the servos to integrate them into a piece of foam board, and this will make it 10 times easier once we get to building the actual main head to integrate them in. So here we have our finished eyes for Gromit. So yeah, we can see they look left and right, just sort of flick between them two. But the good thing about this is because it can literally be controlled to do anything through the Python code, we could make these eyes do whatever we want in terms of different animations and different sequences. So we'll try and get to that later in the series. But for now, thank you for watching, subscribe for part 2.